The Grade 2 listed park, which opened in 1926, has been voted the best park in the UK for the second time in 3 years, known across the land for its bandstand, boating lake and Italian gardens. This beautiful, tranquil place is a world away from the hustle and bustle of Blackpool seafront. More than 2 million people visit the park every year. Make sure you're one of them.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way.